Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make wine red nail polish updated. Prepare your workspace and gather supplies: clear base, red pigment, dark pigment, mixing tools, and small bottles. Start by measuring ratios and testing tiny batches, then adjust depth and opacity with concentrated pigment and clear base. Finish with a fast-dry top coat and small cure time tests to ensure durability and a smooth, glossy finish for salon-level results. Measure pigments precisely using a small scale or calibrated droppers to keep batches consistent. Begin with a dominant red, then add tiny amounts of blue or black until you reach the desired wine tone, stirring thoroughly after each addition. Test on a nail wheel and compare under natural and artificial light, recording ratios that produce the best depth. Once satisfied, scale up using the same proportions to avoid color drift between bottles. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that pairs surprisingly well with craft projects and tidy workspaces. It's a small thing that makes cleanup time nicer and keeps your gear smelling fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a smooth, spreadable consistency that matches your polish brush and application style. Thin slightly with nail polish solvent in very small increments if the mix is too thick, or add a viscous clear base if it runs. Check opacity on 2 thin coats versus 1 thick coat to decide final viscosity. Finish with your preferred top coat to lock shine and wear, and always store bottles upright and away from heat to maintain stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.